Our Amendment 36.1 is entitled, Jury Decides Unreasonableness of Government Action. In some ways, this is the most important amendment that we have proposed. Currently, under the law, if a rule or regulation is arbitrary or unreasonable in its application to you or in any specific situation, then it is unconstitutional as applied. It may be a constitutional statute because it doesn't violate the Constitution, but its application is arbitrary and capricious. Currently, this is a question of law for the courts, and my experience is that the judges assign a presumption of regularity, propriety, and validity to acts of the legislatures or Congress. This may not be appropriate under circumstances. So I have provided here that if any rule or regulation is the basis for any claim against you by the government, the jury gets to decide whether it's unreasonable in its application to you. If the jury should decide that it is not unreasonable, the judge can still decide that it is unreasonable. However, the judge cannot reverse a finding by the jury that the law is unreasonable as applied to you. This will considerably enhance our protection from an arbitrary and tyrannical government or a government that decides to pick on some particular decision with some arcane law that's buried in the hundreds of thousands of regulations we have.